1941. The Desert Fox, Field Marshal Erwin Rommel, arrives in Libya to assume command of the Africa Corps. Within a few months, Rommel, the rising star of the German army, recaptures the territory taken by the British Commonwealth forces prior to his arrival. Despite being heavily outnumbered by the British forces, the superior range and armor of the German tanks allows the Africa Corps to take the fight to the Allies. By July of 1942, the Desert Fox and his unstoppable Africa Corps, in a series of classic blitzkrieg attacks, pushes the British forces eastward across the deserts of Libya and into Egypt. Now in late 1942, holding their ground a mere 60 miles from the Egyptian capital of Cairo, British Field Marshal Montgomery's forces, including the Desert Rats of the 7th Armored Division, prepare to blunt the German offensive and regain the initiative.
Queen 6, this is King 6. Enemy tanks sighted leaving the depot. We're commencing our attack. Out. This is it, boys. Our decoys should keep those panzers busy while we wipe out their supplies. Let's go! Yes, sir! Sergeant! Find some cover! Behind the sandbags! On the left! Potato mash, run! German infantry! On our left flank! Enemy drones! Near those boxes! On the left! That's a McGregor! Come on, let's go!
Die Engländer! Mann am Boden! Achtung! Granate!
German grenade, move!
Police! Neben diesen Fässern! Feuer auf den Kopf! Second squad! Move in!
Let's give Sergeant Davis and his boys some covering fire!
On the road! Get out of there! Auf die Truppen konzentrieren! Move in!
Let's give Sergeant Davis and his boys some covering fire!
Open fire! Get Jerry Cohen!
Bill, stay close to me!
Davis, good to see you again!
Watch the perimeter!
Put the bloody on your finger! Auf die Truppen konzentrieren!
Second squad, move in! Let's give Sergeant Davis and his boys some covering fire!
Davis, good to see you again!
Davis, take out their ammunition and fuel stockpiles! Get moving! McGregor, watch the perimeter!
What the bloody hell do you think I'm doing? Los jetzt! Britische Granate, wir alle! Mensch! Get the cover! Die Engländer! Auf die britische Gruppe feuern! Right! Ein Kollege, um den man sich sorgen muss! Seal these buttons, Davis!
Get that bunker door open now!
Yes, sir!
Davis, check the bunker for enemy intelligence!
We don't have time to collect a lot of stupid maps!
Shut it, McGregor!
Enemy
I said keep your
still!
bloody mouth shut, Private!
Getroffen!
Let's go!
We're nearly back at the town, sir. Jerry tanks have been spotted advancing on our positions to the east.
Looks like we're in for a bloody hard fight, lads. Get us back quickly, Private.
Yes, sir.
Davis, McGregor, get in the Bren carrier. Move! We're finished here.